It's a 2016 Lincoln Navigator. Its commanding presence and unrivaled towing capacity, along with grace and elegance, make this Lincoln Navigator a solid choice. There are no limits with a powerful 3.5-liter twin-turbo V6 engine pulling your cargo without hesitation. Front and rear parking sensors and the rear-view camera take the stress out of cramped lots. The temperature outside has no effect inside with heated and ventilated front seats and a heated second row. Oversized items fit with ease in this big, beautiful rig, and your trip will be easy too with the voice-controlled navigation.
With HomeLink, one touch makes your arrival as welcoming as if you'd never left. Feel the confidence as you control the road with your four-wheel drive. Negotiating traffic has never been easier thanks to the blind spot indicator.
It's commanding luxury delivering commanding power. Take it for a test ride today.
Galpin Premier has the great deals, great service, and great people. Stop in today. We are conveniently located off the 405 freeway at the Roscoe Boulevard exit.